Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-step infographics in just PowerPoint. So as you can see here guys, I have kept this infographics very simple so that you can create it very easily and in very less time guys. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So first I'm going to click on insert option. Here you will find a new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide over here. Now after this, what we'll do, look, here is a single group. This is a single group. Let me show you how I have arranged the elements to make a group like this. So I'm going to ungroup it and let me show you separately the shape which I have using in this infographics. These are the shapes I'm using in this infographics guys. Okay, so I'm going to press Ctrl Z to undo it, and now I will start creating this infographics with this particular shape. So click on blank slide. Here you will find the shape option. Just click on that and choose this option, rounded rectangle option over here. So just choose this option and drag it over here like this. Okay, after this what you have to do, you just have to make it no outline like this and drag this yellow dot to the left, a little bit left, to make it make the corner more sharp. Now right click over here and choose edit point option. Now you just have to slide this point something here and slide this point something here. Now click on this black dot and bring it over here. Click on this black dot and bring this handle over here. Okay guys, now do the same with these two dots, bottom right dots. So I'm just going to slide this dot something here. I'm going to slide this dot something here and this dot something here. Now I will drag this dot something here and click on this slide and drag this white handle something here. Now done guys. Now what you have to do, you just have to duplicate this shape one more time. Press Ctrl and Shift together and drag this shape outward to make it bigger like this. Let me change the shape fill of this to something orange and right click over here and send it to back. Now put this shape over here. Okay, and now I'm going to rotate this shape like this. Let me take the reference of the previous slide. Okay, so I'm going to make it something bigger, a little bit bigger guys, like this, and put it over here. You have to drag it something here to make it a little bit bigger, like this much. Okay guys, so now I will select all these two shapes, place it over here. Just right click over here and choose format background option and choose a light gray color for this background. So this is, now let me change the color, choose more slides, and I'm going to choose this color something. Okay, this color will fine, so I'm going to choose this one. For this blue shape I'm going to use a white color, white fill over here. Okay guys, and now what I'm going to do, I will choose all these color samples from here, press Ctrl C and paste it over here so that we can use this color sample on this particular slide. So choose the orange shape over here. Here you will find a gradient fill option. If you are unable to see the format shape pane over here on the right side, you just have to right click over the orange shape and choose a format shape option over there. You can see the format shape option over here. So you just have to click on gradient fill option and look, these two colors automatically fetched by the previous slide because I have recently used these two colors in the previous slide, guys. So in this you can see for the right handle what I'm going to use. First we have to choose this shape. So for the left handle I'm using dark orange color, for the right handle I'm using light orange color over here. Okay guys, so now finally you have to select all this text group over here, this text group I'm talking about. So you have to choose all these. Let me ungroup this shape so that we can easily copy the text from here. Choose all these shapes, press Ctrl C and paste it over here guys. Okay, now I'm again going to select all this shape and press Ctrl D to make it group, guys. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and place it over here. Again pressing Ctrl D and Ctrl D. So now I'm going to select all these shapes and align it left so that it can be fitted in this particular slide. Now choose this shape. Don't worry guys, I will explain the text type which I'm using in this slide, so don't worry about that. So for this shape what I'm going to use, for the left handle I'm going to use this pink color, dark pink color. Sorry, for this end left hand I'm going to use this color, and for the right end I'm going to use the same color. But you have to choose the same color, but for the right handle you just have to click on more color options so that you can choose a lighter pink color here. If you were selected some other color, then it will not fetch to your previous color, guys. That's why I use the same color over here, so that we can simply slide this arrow to the top to choose the lighter pink color from the color pane. Got it, guys? Okay, for this shape, for this particular shape, I am setting the left handle color, and to do that I'm going to use eyedropper from here and choose this color. Okay, for the right handle I'm again using the same color, but after choosing the same color for the right handle I will click the right handle and choose the more color option over here, so that I can see the color I have used there, and I will simply slide this color to the top so that I can choose the lighter color of this variant, this particular blue color. Okay, choose yes. Okay, there should be some more lighter color, guys, so I'm going to keep this arrow something here. Now for this shape I'm going to set the left handle color, and to do that I will choose the eyedropper and choose this color. For the right handle I'm using the same color, I will use this same color, but again I will choose the more color option so that we can choose a lighter color from this color sample. Okay guys, this is done. So now what you have to do, you just have to click on this particular shape group and choose a shadow option over here. Here you can see the preset option, just click on that and choose this particular first offset diagonal bottom right option from here. After this, what you have to do, you just have to increase the blurriness to something 13 and the size should be something 101. Okay, transparency you can increase it, like you can make it 65 is okay. So do the same thing with other shape. So I'm going to make it 65, this is 1 and this is 13. Just do the same with other shapes, guys. Now it's done, guys. Now what finally we have to change the text, step text over here. So I'm going to make it 2, 3 and this is step 4. Oh, let me show you which type of text I'm using in this infographic. So for the subject or for the text part, you can see here I'm using this particular Humans 777 and the size is 10. Okay, and size is 10. For the option I'm using this Rajdhani, this particular text, and the size is 18. and for the heading I'm using Swiss 721 and the size 28, and for the step I'm using the same but the size is 16. So these are all the text style and the size difference, size variant I'm using this infographics, guys. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any query, then please write in the comment box, and if you want to talk to me about the further assistance, then please write me on my WhatsApp number, that is 6205273394 is my WhatsApp number, so you can text there. I will definitely reply you guys. For now I have a less subscriber. 2k is a very less number, but still I'm working hard for you guys, providing these free templates to you. So need your support, need your help. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.